The best home builders in Florida. Marketplace Homes. Looking for a new home? Then a Florida home builder can give you the residential construction you've been dreaming of. New home construction is hot right now, and it's not just because you get a brand new, energy-efficient, and modern home. You also get the best choices. When older homes often need new roofing, renovations, and extensive inspections to verify their value, new home builders are like a fresh breeze into the scene. Why settle for an older home when you can get a brand new construction home in the Sunshine State? And, if you do go this route, you'll get an even better experience with an award-winning builder. Who are the best home builders who promise quality through their years of experience and excellent customer service? Short list of the best builders in Florida. Dr. Horton, Lenner, Pulte, Matami. While there are many other great builders operating in the Sunshine State, these names tend to appear more often in searches for the best home builders in Florida. Also, depending on location, like Miami for example, you will find different builders taking the lead. To find out which builder is the best for the area you want a home, speak with one of our experts today. If you want to build a dream new construction home in Florida, then work with one of the best builders in Florida. Work with us. Marketplace Homes has been an expert in new construction deals since 2002.